Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a growing IT job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume here using the link. I'm going to explain one of the important hibernate interview question. What is transient, persistent, detached objects in hibernate? What is transient, persistent and detached objects in hibernate? Transient object, a new instance of a persistence class which is not associated with the session, has no representation in the database and no identifier value is considered as transient by hibernate. You have an entity class called user detail. You just created it in the JVM memory, but there is no association corresponding database row created, and there is no association for this object with the session. In this is called transient state. Persistent state. A persistent instance has representation in the database in the sense there will be a row created in the database table, an identifier value, and is associated with the session. Yes, there will be an identifier value, that is the primary key will be created. You can make a transient instance persistent by associating with the session. For example, you have a session and you just save it. For this line of code can make the transient instance to the persistence instance. Okay, so this line of code makes the magic. Okay, so use it now in persistence state. Let's go to the last state, detached state. Now if we close the session, hibernate session, please remember, whenever we close the hibernate session, the persistence instance will become detached instance. It isn't attached to a session anymore, but can still be modified and reattached to a new session later. Session.close does the magic. So when you do session.close, that means the user in detached state, that means just a entity class, or it is just an object in the JVM memory. Okay, so still you can update the values of this object and you can still associate with the session and it will become persistent instance. Okay, hope this video is useful for your hibernate interview preparation. Thank you for watching this video and all the best for your interview. This video is from interview.com, a job portal in India. Thank you.